This your boy Dustin Diesel Technician, man. We're gonna make a quick tool cart review. Over here, y'all got my power tools on top. This is a Hyper Tough. This is a little drill I use. Husky air hammer. With the Mac quick disconnect. Husky, cut off tool, tires. This for tires, I use this for rust removal. Husky, inspection mirror, Matco, Craftsman. I just keep 17 on this one, 14 on this one, and a 13 on this one just because I have to do an oil change. Different size drain plugs. Snap-on impact, air, Matco impact, stubby. Matco, Milwaukee, Matco. Air ratchets, electric ratchet, battery powered. Sockets in this drawer. This is my roll around cart. I use this when I need to roll around to the car. This is my diagnostic drawer on the cart. Just got some screwdrivers, picks, brake stuff in here. Torque studs, wrenches, ratchet wrenches, some little snap-on stubbies. These are Husky. These got this different brands in here. Insulated electrical screwdrivers, regular Stanley screwdrivers. Brake piston depressor. Last but not least, this drawer. Mac tools, Allen wrenches. Mac tools ratchet. Big boy ratchet, 1/2 inch. Matco oil filter socket set. Oil filter wrenches. Mac tools, different brands. Dremels. You know I got my Dremels in there. Yep. That's the last drawer. Over here I got my pry bars. Up there, seal puller, extensions, brake measurement tools. Inside this bag I got wheel locks. You know, this is the Remove Drain Plug Pro. This is insurance.